Good morning, class. Before we start, let's do our daily prayer, okay? Please stand up, okay? Oh Lord, thank you for today. Thank you for the blessings. I hope you will guide us for today's lesson. Give us knowledge and wisdom. Amen. Amen. Good day, class. Okay. Let's do it this way. When I say, good day, class, you will sing, good day to you, teacher, good day to you, classmate, good day, everyone. Is that understood? Is it clear? Okay, let's do it once more. 1, 2, 3. Good day, class. Good day to you, teacher. Good day to you, classmate. Good day, everyone. Very good, grade 5 and grade 6. Okay, you may now take your seat, okay? Let me check your attendance first. So, grade 5, just raise your hands. Hand if you are present, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, grade 5. Perfect attendance. Very good, grade 5. So, grade 6, the same with the grade 5. You will raise your hand if you are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good, grade 6. Very good, grade 5 and grade 6. You are perfect attendance for today. Give yourself a round of applause, please. Very good. So, our class rules for today is that Teacher Rajan has 3 words for you. He wants you to focus. Number 1, focus. Number 2, listen to me. And number 3, participate. He wants you to focus, listen, and participate. Okay, is that understood? Is that clear? Very good, grade 5 and grade 6. So, in this juncture, teacher will ask you something. Did you remember our lesson yesterday? It is all about the sexual and asexual reproductive. So, Teacher Rajan has a activity for that. So, Teacher Rajan will give you a flag, a red flag, and a yellow flag. So, you will raise the red flag if the animal is reproducing sexually. And the yellow flag naman if the animal is reproducing asexually. So, are you ready? Very good. So, let's start. Please distribute this flag first. Okay. Ayan. So, just raise your flags if the animal is producing sexually, and the yellow flag if the animal is reproducing asexually. So, let's start with the animal dog. Very good, sexually, red flag. Next, bees. You have different answer, class. Okay, the correct answer is bees, yellow flag, reproduce asexually. So next, chicken. Very good, red flag. Next. Okay, yellow flag. Next is shark. What do you think? The yellow flag. Very good. And we have 2 less animal. Next, frog. What do you think? Red flag. Very good. Grade 5 and grade 6. Next, what do you think? Butterfly. Okay. Asexually. So, indeed, you remember our lesson? Yesterday, it is all about the sexual and asexual reproductive. So, I will show you a video or a dance and let's dance with it. Okay? Okay, please stand. Very good, grade 5 and grade 6. So, what do you think is our topic for today? Our topic for today is all about the flowering and non-flowering plants. So, grade 5, let's read first your objective for today. Let's read your objective for today. 1, 2, 3. The learner should be able to identify the reproductive parts of plants through dissecting a flower. Okay? Grade 5 and grade 6, I will show you a picture of it. This. What do you see in the picture? It is a flower, different kinds of flower. Do you have flowers at home? Do you like flowers? Okay, do you have flowers at home? Very good. Teacher Rajan has a flowers at home also. So, grade 5, what do you do to take care of it? Watering it. Very good, grade 5. Watering it. So, for today, let's identify the reproductive parts of plants. Plants reproduce sexually through flowers. So, let's identify the different parts of the reproductive parts of the flower or the plant. So, we have here the petal, pistil, pedicel, sepal, and the stamen. So, let's see what is the function of different kinds of the reproductive parts of the plant. Let's start with the receptacle or the pedicel. So, what is the pedicel or receptacle? Please read. The receptacle is the enlarged upper end of a flower stalk which bears the flower of the group of flowers. Very good. Next one is the sepals. Sepals. What is the sepals? Please read. Sepals are modified leaves which enclose and protect the other parts of a flower. A group of sepals are called calyx. Are you listening, grade 5? Very good. So next part, which is the petals. Please read. Let's read the parts of petals. Petals are the most obvious part of the flower. As you can see here, you can see the petals here, okay? Most petals are brightly colored, like this one, diba? As you can see, there are bright colors. Most petals are brightly colored to attract insects for pollination. The next part is the stamen. Okay, let's read the stamen. The male part of a flower. It consists of the filament and the anther. As you can see, there are two types of stamen here. We have the anther and the filament. The last one is the pistil. Okay, not pastil, but pistil. So let's read the definition and the function of the pistil. It is the female part of a flower. It consists of the stigma, style, and the ovary. As you can see, there are two types here, the ovary and the ovule. Okay, very good. So, a teacher will have an activity for you called the label me. Okay, are you listening? Very good. Label me. This is the easy activity. You will just label the parts of the reproductive parts of a flower. So, please distribute. Okay. Next, I will give you a 5 minutes to answer that. That is a easy activity. So, you can answer it within 5 minutes. Understood? Let's go now to the grade 6. Grade 6, let's read your objective for today. The learner should be able to distinguish how spore-bearing and cone-bearing plants reproduce. Diba? I showed you a picture earlier about this. This is a flower. So, my last question for you, grade 6, is that, did you know that there are non-flowering plants? They don't produce flower. Did you know? Very good. And those are the spore-bearing and the cone-bearing plants. I have sample pictures here for you, grade 6. I want you to identify which of the two is the cone-bearing plants and the cone-bearing plants. Which among the two are the spore-bearing and the cone-bearing plants? Very good. This is the spore-bearing plants and the cone-bearing plants. This is fern, mosses, and algae that are the example of the spore-bearing, and the cone-bearing naman is the pine trees, redwood, and what? Agaho. Okay, let's see how spore-bearing plants reproduce. Okay, let's read it together. The plant body that produces spores is the sporophyte. These spores develop into a male and female gametophytes, which produce gametes. The fusion of gametes results in a zygote, which develops into a sporophyte, and the cycle repeats. Easy as that. Okay? That is how spore-bearing plants reproduce. Let's proceed now to the cone-bearing plants. How cone-bearing plants reproduce. Let's read. Reproduction begins when one of the pollen grains from inside a pollen sac on the male cone floats to the air to the scale of a female cone. Easy as that. So, understood, grade 6? Is that clear? Very good. So, I have an activity for you, class. But before that, I will show you the illustration on how spore-bearing and cone-bearing plants reproduce. This is for the spore-bearing and this is for the cone-bearing. Okay? I have an activity for you guys. This is you will just give 3 examples of the spore-bearing plants and the cone-bearing plants. Is that understood? Okay? Okay, please distribute this. Are you done, grade 5? Very good. I will collect the papers now. So, for your next activity, I will read the instructions. The class will be divided into 3 groups. Each group should find and bring a flower in the classroom. The student will dissect. You will now dissect a flower and should be able to find the reproductive parts in plants of the flower. The output should be put in a short bond paper and should be passed at the given time. I will just give you 10 minutes for that. Is that clear, grade 5? Very good. So, let's proceed now to the grade 6. Okay, grade 6, are you done? Very good. So, let me get the papers. Okay. So, for your next activity, I will read the instruction first, okay? Listen, grade 6. The class will be divided into 2 groups. The spore-bearing groups and the cone-bearing groups. Each group should draw a plant that assigned to them, and the output should be put in a short bond paper. Pass the activity in the time given. I will just give you 10 minutes for that. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Are you done, grade 5? Okay. Pass your activity now. Oh my God, very good. Very good, grade 5. So, for the generalization, it is important to take care of our surroundings, especially to take good care of our plants. As a student, what are the things that we should do to take good care of our plants? Okay, Mr. Saleho. Okay, watering the plants. Very good. It is important to water the plants so that it will grow and reproduce and produce a flower. What else? Okay, don't cut the flowers. They are also important. Very good. So, let's proceed now, grade 5 for your post-assessment. Answer 8, it is all about our topic for today. So, distribute this. Okay, very good. I will just give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay? Okay, grade 6, are you done? Okay, let's go now to your reporting. Okay, very good. Group 1, very good. Group 2. Yes, of course, grade 6. It is important that we need to take good care of our non-flowering plants. Whether it is non-flowering plants or flowering plants, it is important that we take good care of it because it is a part of the society, it is part of the earth, and we should take good care of that so that earth would be the best place to live in. Is that understood? Yes, that's why it is important to take good care of our non-flowering plants. So let's proceed now to your post-assessment. I will just give you 10 minutes for this. This is all about the spore-bearing and the cone-bearing plants. Okay? Please distribute. Okay. Are you done, grade 5? Okay. Very good. For your assignment, I want you to take care of your plants at home. That is so easy activity. So please take care of our plants. Okay? Very good. For the grade 6, for your assignment, nakalimot ko sa assignment, the grade 6. For your assignment, find a core bearing. And for the grade 6 assignment, for your assignment grade 6, you will find a cone-bearing plants or the spore-bearing plants. Just one, ha? Okay, is that understood? Okay, that's it for today, grade 5 and grade 6. I hope you learned something for today. Goodbye, class. Okay, let's do it this way. When I say goodbye, class, you will sing goodbye to your teacher, goodbye to your classmate, goodbye, 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 everyone. Okay, let's do it once again. 1, 2, 3, go. Goodbye to your teacher, goodbye to your classmate, goodbye, 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 everyone. Okay, very good. Goodbye, grade 5, goodbye, grade 6. Bye.